Okay, so here's the 83 Bronco. We're gonna do cold start.
Yeah, hook up that wire, buddy.
Yeah, hook up the wire. Can't really see a thing here.
I think I should give it one pump.
Okay, hold on. Gotta get up in there. Okay, so here you got your 400. This is the fuel pump, ground. Really? It's not working? Dude, I don't hear the fuel pump.
I hear it.
Oh, I hear it. Okay. Make sure it's not in gear. Okay, like, fired up.
One pump?
I guess. Yeah, you're squirting. Oh boy. Yeah, pump. Oh. Sweet.
That's good shit, man. You need to get that bumper on.
Yeah?
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, so we don't have. Oh my god. Oh my god. Give her shit. Oh. Bump it. Oh. Crap. Oh shit. Maybe we got a bad ground on that brake line? Oh yeah, where'd the shit go? Fuck, the stupid fuel pump came off. Here, let me put it on what was it on before? Yeah, okay, so like, huh? Oh shit. Okay, let's see here. Step there. Whoa, yeah, lights are good. That helps. Okay. I'll put it on the throttle deal, but not where it'll stick your throttle. That'd be bad.
Oh my god, dude, that was sparking.
It's because it's got current going through it. Okay, fire it up. No. I was gonna do it above and right. Okay.
Probably should give it a pump, huh?
Yeah, they like that.
That's spinning.
Starter.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably run better now with fuel.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, so
I got my Rebel hat.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we got that Valvoline here. And
Yeah.
yeah, buddy.
Good. This is a
Air filter, you know.
you got the
I don't think I have any cages.
no, the gauges do not work.
Yeah, no.
They don't.
Maybe I got a full tank of fuel and like.
Well, that one might be right.
Do we want to move this? Or?
This one's obviously wrong. That one's probably wrong. Maybe the amperage, yeah.
Do we want to move this here, buddy?
Okay, have fun using that clutch there. It's just a thrill ride.
Do you want to get in?
Okay, come on, buddy. Oh my god. We're against the shop here. Okay. Oh look, a power steering pump leaked all over the floor.
Yeah!
And a mint mirror.
You're gonna have to scoot over so I can put it in reverse.
Oh boy, this is Whoa! Yeah.
Oh, car.
We riding? Yeah, let's get some good action.
Oh, brake.
How's that steering?
Oh, yeah, that's maximum.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we are really moving around here. Here, buddy.
Get some right.
Yeah, just crank on that bitch.
Should I hit the car?
We don't want to rip off our exhaust.
Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah, buddy, crank it. Oh yeah, that power steering is. Oh yeah. Oh my God, Vince! Oh shit. Okay, buddy, crank it, man. Yeah. Here, Taylor, you film. Okay, man. Make sure you hold it close, cause that light is like. Yeah, we are doing it. We are driving a Ford Bronco with 35 swampers. Holy shit. Where are we?
Oh, I'm in a snowbank.
Oh.
You want to go get some peel out action, buddy?
Oh yeah! Jimmer! Oh, thing's a beast. It smells like it's burning everything.
That's good.
Yeah. Which way are we trying to go here? Up the, here, keep filming.
Where?
Trying to go up the north side of the hill here. Oh yeah.
How's the plow?
Oh, the plow's over there, it's good.
We're going to park this here for a second.
Is this where we're doing it? Does it have a parking brake? Taylor, you're not filming very good.
No.
Does it have a parking brake?
No.
Take it. Almost.
You gotta like point it where the action is. Yeah, that'd be.
Yeah!
This would be Devin removing the key here.
Oh, this is to a 88
Oh, that's for a dirt bike. Okay, I'm sorry.
We're all good.
Okay. Dude, you didn't even like. Oh yeah, we tore some shit up.
Did I rip some shit up?
Yeah.
Was it like... I want to watch.
Yeah, it was growling.
Yeah. Oh, damn, that's a picture taker.
Yeah, so we gotta like fix the power steering, fix the differential,
Fix everything.
fix the gauges. The body's somewhat presentable.
A little bit of rust.
It's really rusty.
Visor.
There's some grade A shit hanging down here. I don't know what that is.
That's probably one.
Yeah. Yeah, and this one looks like it got caught up in the U joint. That's fantastic.
George, get out of there. I'm sitting good.
Oh yeah, buddy, we're taking a pic.
Oh, pick, okay.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
You take one?
Yeah.
Fucking right.
Oh, yeah, okay. So.
Okay.
Scared the shit out of me, dude.
Huh?
Opened the door and I heard, hey!